All right, students. So now I'll invite Gayatri ma'am to take the session. All right, Gayatri ma'am, please join.
Yes, thank you very much, ma'am. Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing well. So we'll do statistics today. Let me just share the screen. Right, just a second. Let me go to the. Yes, fine. So this is all about the mean, median, and mode students. So you all must be knowing this is one of the very important chapter in statistics, especially in maths. And mean, it is nothing but the average. I'm getting the voice. Students, please unmute and quickly take out a notebook with a pen or a pencil so that you'll be able to answer the questions. All right. So this is all about mean, median, and mode. In mean, we will take the average of the data, right? And in median, we will see the midpoint, which is the mid of the data. And in mode, we will see the repetition of the data. All right. Yes. So let's start with the first question. The median of -4, -6, -5, 3, 0, 5, and 11 is dash. All right, students. So one thing that you need to do while computing your median, first thing you should arrange the datas in either ascending or descending. So it is preferably you arrange all the datas in the ascending order. All right. So then you will be able to find out the median. Isn't it understood? Yes. Being the first question, let us do it now. First, you have to arrange it in ascending. So here, minus the highest minus is the least one, isn't it? So -6, -5, -4, 0. Then it starts with the positive. So 3, 5, 11. All right. So now you see which is the mid value in this. All right. So just a second, let me use the pen. See here. So 3 is going here. 3 is going the other side. So the midpoint is 0. All right. Yes. So that is why we are choosing 0 as the median. Understood? Yes. Let's move on to the next question. If mode is equal to 29, mean is equal to 32, then what is the median? All right. So we have a formula for this. So let me tell you so that you all will be able to do the question. So we have a formula where it is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. All right. So now mode is given, that is 29 is equal to 3 times of median. So median we don't know. So we can just write it as median minus twice of or 2 into mean, 32. All right. So when this 2 into 32 comes the other side, it becomes plus. So we get 93 is equal to 3 times of median. So median is equal to 93 divided by 3. All right. See the next question. If the median of 6, 7, x, 8, y, 14 is 9, then what is x plus y? All right. So I have told you to find out the median here. So since you have the variables x and y, so here it is not required that you need to arrange it in the ascending or descending order. So what here, this is moreover, this is mean and this is not median, isn't it? So I mistook it as median. So this is mean. So what you have to do, you just have to add everything divided by the numbers. So if you count, you have 6, 7, x, 8, y, 14 is 6. So add up everything divided by 6 will be 9. All right. So add all the numerals. So you will get 35 plus x plus y is equal to 54. And thereby x plus y becomes 19. All right, students? Yes, fine. See the next question. if arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42, among them, 2 students got 0 marks, then arithmetic mean of the remaining students is dash. All right. So just quickly understand, let's understand the question before we go to the solution for that. The arithmetic mean of 30 students is 42. So what do you mean by that? You have to add the 30 students, maybe x plus y plus z plus a plus b plus whatever. So that divided by 30. Understood? So that is equal to 42. Right. Now, next, among them, 2 students got 0 marks. So then what is the arithmetic mean of the remaining students? Right. So now you just have to note down this arithmetic mean of 30 students is sum of 30 students divided by 30, whereby sum of 30 students becomes 42 into 30, which is 1260. Is it clear? And they are saying that among 30 students, so 2 students got 0 marks. So which is 30 minus 2 is 28. All right. So arithmetic mean of 28 students is sum of 28 students divided by 28. That is 1260 divided by 28 will give us 45. All right. See the next question. The median of 17, 31, 12, 27, 15, 9, 23 is dash. Yes. So I'm sure you'll be able to do this. So let me give you the formula. It is n plus 1 by 2th item. All right. So quickly start working out. By then I'll give you the formula. So the median formula is n plus 1 by 2th item or observation if it is odd. All right. So here you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7 item, isn't it? So it is an odd number. So in that case, you have to use this formula, n plus 1 by 2th item. All right. Now give me your answer. I have given you the formula also. All right. Saini, Gayatri, you're right. How about others? Students, everybody. Yes, Malesh. Please, everyone answer. Harshita, you're right. Ashvik, you're right. Perfect. So the answer is now coming. All right, let's see. It is 19. How? First thing, we have taken it as it is an odd number. Okay, so now you are first arranging it in the ascending or descending, preferably ascending. That is from the lowest to the highest. So 12, 15, 17, 19, 23, 27, 31, which is 7. So you must use n plus 1 by 2th item. If it is even, it is n by 2th item. All right. So here it is odd. So it is n plus 1 by 2th item. So which is 7 plus 1 by 2 is 4th observation. So here 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is why you're choosing 19 as your option. All right. So this is very important from examination point of view, students. So don't forget the formula. If it is odd, it is n plus 1 by 2th item. All right. Excellent to those who have given me the right answer. See the next question. Mode of A, B, C, D, and so on till Z is dash. So I have already told you mode is something which is a repetition. So if there are more repetitions of a particular variable or a number, then we call it as a mode. So here, now you need to give me your answer. Let me check the chat box. Yes, Malesh, you're right. Jessica, you're right. Kalpana, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Everybody is using your, what to say, exactly the formulas. Ashwin, please check your answer. You're not right. Chintu, you're right. All right. Yes. Let's see. There shouldn't be any mode in this because nothing is repeated, isn't it? So there is no repetition of alphabets. So there is no mode here. All right. See the next question. In 100 numbers, 20 are 4s, 40 are 5s, 30 are 6s, remaining are 10s. Then what is the arithmetic mean? All right. So quickly find out. By the let me do it for you. So here he says 20 are 4s. Okay. 40 are 5s. 30 are 6. And the remaining. What is the remaining? So 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 minus 90 is 10. So the remaining is 10. All right. So this, he says, it is, what is the total number of observation is 100. So in total number of members is 100. All right. So now find out the value of this. This should be your mean. Yes, quickly find out and tell me your answer. How many are going to give me your answers correctly? Yes. Saivardhan, Ashvik, check your answer. Gayatri, you're right. Navaneet, check your answer. Vijaya, please check your answer. Jessica, Mallesh, you're right. Yaneshwar, you're right. Taruni, you're right. Kalpana, check your answer. All right. Let's see. So if you add, you get 560 divided by 100, isn't it? So 20 into 4 plus 40 times of 5 plus 30 into 6 plus 10 into 10 divided by 100 will give you 560 by 100, which is 5.6. That is how we are getting the arithmetic mean as 5.6. All right. Excellent to those who have given me the right answer. Students, you should be swift enough and understand the concept quickly. You should be able to apply because we cannot spend a lot of time for this simple concepts, isn't it? All right, see the next question. The mean of 654 x2 is 4. What is the value of x? So 45 seconds is given to you. By then let me do it for you and help you. 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus x plus 2 divided by how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By 5 is 4. Now find out the value of x. All right? Yes. Let me see how many are giving me the answers. All right, let me check the chat box. Ashwini, you're right. Rajeshwari, you're right. Ashwin, please check your answer. Hanish, you're right. Saini, you're right. Jnaneshwar, you're right. Vishwanath, check your answer. All right. So, Rohini, you're right. Chetan, you're right. You just have to work it out and give me the answer, isn't it? So, it is 3. How? You're just adding everything. Divided by 5 will give you 4. And thereby, your x is 3. All right. Excellent to those who have given me the right answer. Others, please work it out clearly and then come to a conclusion. All right. See the next question. What is the median of 16, 12, 4, 5, 6? So when median is asked, what is the first thing that you need to do? You need to arrange it in the ascending order. Always don't forget when median is asked, first arrange it in ascending order. Then use either n by 2 or n plus 1 by 2th item. Okay. So now just arrange it in the ascending order. Here you get 4, 5, 6, 12, 16. So it is 3, 5. So it is 5 means odd number. So 5 plus 1 by 2th item, that is 6 by 3, which is third item. So what is third item here? It is 6. Let me see how many are giving me option 3. Yes, almost all has given me option 3 as answer. I'm not able to read your names because it's literally running. And excellent. So all of you are working out and I'm very happy with this. All right, let's see the key. It is option 3, which is 6. And that is how you're getting median as 6. All right, see the next question. Find the mode of 7, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4. So I've already told you mode is something which is repeated one. So the repeated or the maximum time, that particular number is supposed to be the mode. So here it is very easy and it is none other than 3 because 3 is repeated. All right. Yes. So you can see the key. See the next question. The mid values of the class is used to calculate dash. So it's a pure theoretical question. Very simple one. So let me see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, almost all. Ashwin, please check your answer. I was about to say all, but now. Taruni, check your answer. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Ishwan, check your answer. All others are right. Agnivesh, Jessica, Ravi, Sai Vardhan, Rakesh. Everybody is right. Except few, please correct your mistakes. It is none other than arithmetic mean. All right, see the next question. If median is 60, mean is 61, then what is mode? So please substitute it in the formula. So the formula I have written it for your convenience. It is mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. So this is a very important formula. Please learn this. Then only questions of this type can be answered. All right. So here they're asking you mode and they've given you 3 times of 60 minus 2 times of 61. So now you need to give me the answer. Let's see how many are giving me the answer. Put it in your chat box. It is option 1. Gayatri, you're right. Navaneet, you're right. Navaneet, please check your answer. I'm sorry. Jnanish, you're right. Kalpana, you're right. Chetan, Agnivesh. All right. Many are giving me the answers. Excellent. So it is 58. Perfect. All right. See the next question. Yes. So this is how it has been got. All right. See the next question. From the yes, from the following table, determine the median of the data. All right. So you need to find out the median, whereby the weight is given, the number of students is given. All right. So you need to find out the median and 4 options are given. So as I have told you, you need to, if it is not in the, weights and number of students, if it is just numbers, then you can arrange it in the ascending or descending order. But when it comes to the next form, what you have to do, you need to put a table, all right, whereby you need to write weight, the number of students, and find out the cumulative frequency, all right. And from that, you need to find out the median. So if your cumulative frequency, the total is an odd number, then you will find out n plus 1 by 2th item. All right. So being the first sum, let us do it for you. See here, the weight is being arranged, the number of students is done. And now you are finding out the cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? You keep adding the numbers. That is, first one is 4, next is 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, the next one is 4 plus 6 plus 7. Likewise, when you add it, finally, the total number of students is 31, which is the n. So since it is an odd number, we go by the formula n plus 1 by 2th item. So here it is 16th item. All right. So where does the 16th item lie? It lies in the cumulative frequency of the range 17. All right. So it lies in the cumulative frequency of the range 17 plus 17.5. So that is why you're choosing 34. All right, students, just see here. So your item is 16th. All right. So it is somewhere between 10 and 17. So that is why we are choosing the corresponding weight as 34. All right. Yes. See the next question. The mean of first n natural numbers is dash. So this is absolutely formula based. So quickly give me your answer. What should be the mean of n natural numbers? Let me see the chat box. How many are giving me the right answer? Yes. Chetan. Yes, Chetan, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Ashwin, you're right. Yes, Sai Vardhan, check your answer. All right, almost all are giving me. It is none other than n plus 1 by 2. How? See, what is n natural number? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on till n numbers, isn't it? So it is sigma n by n. So sigma n is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by n, whereby you get n plus 1. N and n gets cancelled, so you get n plus 1 by 2. All right. Yes, see the next one. For the data 2, 4, 6, 7, 4, 2, 8, 11, 4, 4, 8, 12, 4. Right? So we need to find out the mean minus mode. So mean is nothing but the average. Mode is the repetitive numbers. So quickly start doing it. I'm giving you time because I know this requires time. So meanwhile, let me help you. So mean is nothing but you have to add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus and so on till 4. divided by the total number of numbers. So the total number of numbers comes to 12. All right. So when you add, you get 6. What is the mode? Mode is the repeated or the repeated number. So here 4 is repeated once. Okay, 1 second. 4 is repeated once, 4 is repeated twice, 4 is repeated thrice, 4 is repeated 4 times. So the mode should be 4. All right. So the mode is 4, mean is 6. Now give me your answer. How many are going to give me the right answer? Let me see. Yes, option 2, right. Malesh, you're right. Gayatri, Chetan, Vivo, please give your name. Navaneet, Kalpana, Hanish. Yes, perfect. Excellent. Almost all are giving me the right answer. It is really good. It is 2. How? You can see that is how it is being worked. So your mean is 6 minus your mode is 4, which is 2. Perfect. Excellent, students. See the next question. From which of the following curves we can find the median of a data? All right. So I'm sure many of you must be giving this. So let's see how many are giving me. Yes, it goes without saying it's option 4, where almost all are giving me the correct answer as option 4, which is Ogive curves. All right, perfect. See the next question. The sum of the observation of a data is 576 and its arithmetic mean is 18. The number of observation of the data is dash. All right, quickly start working it out. I'll give you the formula so that it will be easy for you. So mean is nothing but sum of observation by number of observation. All right, fine. So they have given you the arithmetic mean as 18, which is equal to what is the sum of observation? It is 576 divided by number of observation. So just cross multiply and divide it, you will get the value of n as. Fine. So let me see how many are going to give me the right answer. All right, let me check. Shivani, you've written 32. What option is that? Gayatri, you're right. Navani, check your answer. Chetan, check your answer. I have, yes, Vishwanath, you're right. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Vivo, you're right. Agnivesh, Vaishnavi. All right. Now, almost all are giving me the right answer as 32. How? Sum of mean is equal to sum of observation by number of observation, whereby n becomes 576 divided by 18, which is 32. All right. Yes. Excellent. For those who have calculated and given me the right answer. Perfect. See the next question. The width of the class in the distribution having class intervals 1 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60 is dash. All right. So you need to give me the width of the class. What do you mean by width? The difference between the upper limit and the lower limit. That's it. Let me see now how many are going to give me the answer. Hardly few seconds this will take. Not more than even 10 seconds. All right. Let me see. Let me see how many are giving me. Yes, Saini, you're right. Chetan, you're right. Kalpana, check your answer. Vivo, check your answer. Gyaneshwar, check your answer. Navneet, you're right. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Gayatri, check your answer. All right. See, I have clearly told you it is the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit, isn't it? That's supposed to be the width, students. Right. So you have 40 minus 20. It starts with 21, but it is inclusive of 40. So the difference will be 20. Is it clear? Yes. See the next question. All right. See the next question. The arithmetic mean of the following data is. Now they're asking you the arithmetic mean. Class interval is given, frequency is given. So for this, we need to find out. This is how you work out. And just quickly see the monitor. Class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. The frequency is 5, 14, 6. And you need to find out the midpoint. What is the midpoint? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. All right. So what is upper limit? It is 0 plus 10 by 2, which is 5. Here 10 plus 20 by 2, which is 15. 20 plus 30 by 2, which is 25. So now you need to find out f into x. F into x is 5 into 5. That is how you got 25. Similarly, 15 into 4, 210. 25 into 6, you're getting 150. And what is the formula? Mean is equal to sum of fx. That is here 25 plus 210 plus 150. So this sum divided by sum of f. Sum of f is 5 plus 14 plus 6, which gives you 15.4. That is how you are arriving at 15.4. All right. Yes. You need to just quickly observe this so that for the next sums of this kind, you can do it. All right. See the next question. If mean is 44, median is 42, then what is mode? Yes, quickly find out the answer. By then, let me give you the answer. Give you the formula. Mode is equal to 3 times of median minus 2 times of mean. Is it clear? So, mode is equal to 3 times of 42 minus 2 times of 44. Now, quickly give me your answer. Let me see. By now, many of you would have calculated. Let's see. Yes. Vaishnavi alone has to check the answer. All others are giving me the right answer. Vaishnavi, please check your answer, ma. Yes, option 3. Perfect. Yes, it is option 3. How? Because thrice of 42 minus twice of 44 is 126 minus 88, which is 38. All right. So since the time that we are giving you is less than even 40 seconds, since we need to cover more of sums, for time being, you can use the calculators, but not for exams. All right. Preferably don't use it. But sometimes when the time is very short, you please use it so that you can come out quickly with the answer. All right. See the next question. Which of the following is more consistent? Is it arithmetic mean, median, mode, none? Very simple question, in fact. Let me see how many are giving me the answer. Vishwanath, you're right. Rakesh, Navaneet, Ravi, Manikta. No. Check your answer. Rohini, check your answer. Saivardhan, check your answer. Ravi Teja, check your answer. All others. Yes, Taruni, you're right. Yes. See, it is none other than AM. That is arithmetic mean. All right. So arithmetic mean is more consistent than median and mode. See the next question. The mean of A plus 1, A plus 3, A plus 4 and A plus 8 is dash. So how do you find out the mean? Like how you find out the numbers. Others quickly do it and tell me. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? So we know mean is nothing but the average. Add up everything and find out the average. So A plus 4 plus A plus 8 divided by. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. So mean can be represented as X bar. Isn't it? Now give me the answer. What is your answer? Definitely your answer will come A plus something. It cannot come A minus. So this is ruled out. And it cannot be none. So it should either be this or it should either be this. Clear? Let me see how many are going to give me the answer. Okay. Kalpana, you're right. Ishwant, you're right. Amulya, Gayatri, almost all are giving me the right answer. Excellent. It is 8 plus 4. All right. See the next question. The mean, this is purely formula based. So you need to know the formula. The mean of n observations, x1, x2, and so on till xn repeated f1, f2, and so on till fn times respectively is dash. All right. So let me do this for you. It is sigma n I is equal to 1 fi xi by sigma n I is equal to 1. It is fi. All right. So if you are not knowing this, so please note down this formula. The mean of n observations. Okay. So for the repeated f1, f2, and so on till fn times. Yes. See the next question. A data has 13 observations arranged in descending order. Which observation represents the median of the data? All right. So here they are saying that there are 13 and it is arranged in descending. So now we know the formula that for median, Let me use a pen. Yes, for median, it is, if it is odd number, then we use it as n plus 1 by 2th item, isn't it? So what is n here? 13. Because it is an odd, we write it as 13 plus 1 by 2, which is 7. All right, so that is why option 3 is right. Let me see how many are giving me the right answer. Yes, Rohini, you're right. Monica, Agnivesh, Mallesh, almost Kalpana, almost all, Taruni, almost all has given me the right answer as option 3. Yes, perfect. See how n plus 1 by 2, which is 13 plus 1 by 2, 7. All right, see the next question. Cumulative frequency is used to calculate. Of course, it is median. All right, because we have a formula here. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by Fm into C, whereas CF stands for cumulative frequency. So only for median we calculate cumulative frequency. All right. Yes. See, next is also a formula based. All right. So under the usual notations, the formula for calculating mode for grouped frequency distribution is dash. So they've given you the formula as L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. All right. So that is how you find out the formula. This is for the group frequency distribution. All right. So that was about mode. And let's move on to median again. The median of 5, 6, 9, 10, 8, 4, 3, 7, 11 is dash. So I'm not going to do this for you. It's very simple. If it is odd, you use n plus 1 by 2th item. Before that, you have to arrange this in ascending or descending. Let's see how many are going to give me the answer correctly. It is Amulya, check. Shivani, just do it and give me the answer, students. Shouldn't take much of your time, isn't it? Rajeshwari, you're right. Vaishnavi, you're right. How about others? Harshita, you're right. Vivu, you're right. All right, let's see what is the answer. It is 7. How? First, you are going to arrange it in the ascending 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. So, whereby you get the fifth data value is 7. Right. So, it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1 by 2. So, 10 by 2 is fifth item. So, the fifth item is 7. That is the middle value in this arrangement, whereby the median you are going to get it as 7. All right, students? Yes. See the next one, the mode of 5, x by 2, 6, 7, x by 2, 3, x by 2 is 9. Then what is the value of x? Yes. So they've given you the mode. What you need to do is you have to find out the value of x. Yes. Quickly do it and give me the answer. Let's see how many are going to give me the answer. I'm giving you time. All right. So let's check the answer. Option 4, Monica. Yes, you're right. Gayatri, check your answer. Saivardhan, you're right. Vaishnavi, you're right. Kalpana, you're right. Oh, Manasa, you're right. Yes, Navneet, everybody is doing correct at the last. See, the term appeared more number of times in the given data is more, isn't it? So, x by 2 is the often repeated one. Is it clear? Out of all the data, which is more, which is maximum time repeated is x by 2. So, x by 2 is 9. Cross multiply, x is equal to 18. All right, students? Yes, see the next question. Find the mean of the marks of the students from the given table. Marks obtained is given. Number of students is given. All right. So you need to find out the mean. So quickly find out. By then, let me give you the formulas. Mean of the marks is sigma FC XI by sigma F. All right. Yes. Quickly do it and give me the answer. I'm sure this takes more than 30 seconds. I'm giving you time to work it out, but don't take much of your time. So you just have to multiply 10 into 2 plus 20 into 3 plus 25 into 2 plus 30 into 2 by your number of students. All right, let's see how many are giving me the answer. Yes, Vaishnavi, you're right. Malesh, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Very swift enough in giving me the answer, students. I know all others are trying. Excellent. It's really good to see that you all are trying, but we need to cover the other questions, isn't it? So let's do a little quickly. The answer is 20. How? We are just finding out the mean of the marks. It's sigma FC xi by sigma f. So you're going to multiply the marks into the number of students. So 10 into 2 plus 20 into 3 plus 25 into 2 plus 30 into 1 divided by the number of students. So you get 160 by 8, which is 20. Excellent to those who have given me the right answer and who have still given me the right answers even while I'm disclosing the key. Yes, good. See the next question. If 5 is added to each and every item of a data, then the arithmetic mean is dash. So just think logically and give me the answer. This does not require any calculations at all, just your logical thinking and answer. Yes, so 30 seconds. I'm just counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Let me see how many are giving me the option. Yes, perfect. Rakesh, you're right. Vishwanath, you're right. Srinivas, you're right. Ishwant, Navani, check your answer. Agnivesh, check your answer. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Shruti, you're right. It is none other than increased by 5 to the first arithmetic mean. Perfect. See the next question. Yes, I think by this is got over. Perfect. Yes. Perfect, students. Please do revise all the formulas of mean, median, mode so that you can use it while doing your sums. Yes. Excellently, you all have given me the answers today. All the very best. So keep practicing the sums and please do give show your excellent participation for the other subjects as well. Thank you, students. Over to Chandrika, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, students, I hope all of you have written the mock test 3. And if any one of you have not written yet, so after this session, please do it. It is for your purpose and for your betterment. Right. So those who have written, the mock test 3 results are here. From BPC, sorry, MPC, Sankirtana Reddy 143 out of 150. Banu Triya 123 out of 150. Sankirtana 123 out of 150. S. Preetika 119 out of 150. Sarvesh 115 out of 50. Gayatri 113 out of 150. Am I audible, madam? Yes, Gayatri ma'am, am I audible? Yes. 115 out of 150, Sarvesh. Manoj 113 out of 150. Gayatri 113 out of 150. Nava Madhusudan 107 out of 150. P. Lahari 103 out of 150. Yes, 1 second, students. Am I audible? Please let me know. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
P. Lahari 103 out of 150. Harshita 103 out of 150. V. Niharika 103 out of 150. Deekshita 99 out of 150. Taruni 99 out of 150. R. Kumari 96 out of 150. Manashwini 95 out of 150. N. Spandana 95 out of 150. Sai Charan 93 out of 150. Very good, students. Congratulations. And next, coming to the BPC results. Sankirtana Reddy, very good. 150 out of 150. You have done really a great job. R. Krish, 132 out of 150. Bano Triya, 121 out of 150. Lakshmi Shravani, 113 out of 150. Jogu Shiva 111 out of 150. Reshma 106 out of 150. Harshini 103 out of 150. Kalpana 103 out of 150. Shireen Fatima 98 out of 150. Yes, very good students. Congratulations to all of you. I hope your determination and consistency will be same as the same like this only till the final exam, till you appear to the final exam. Congratulations to everyone and do practice well and crack your seat. Okay, crack your seat in TSRJC set. Just 1 second, students. And also there is another announcement that so మేము ఇక్కడ రంగారెడ్డి స్టేట్ లో సెంటర్స్ విజిట్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో ఇఫ్ ఎనీవన్ వాంట్ టు meet నిజం if you are so much excited to meet us, so please share your hall ticket number to 9642215226. So those who are interested to meet us, you can send in Telangana state. Sorry, in Telangana state. In Telangana state, we are likely to visit the centers, to visit you. So if you are excited to meet us, so please send your hall ticket number to 9642215226. మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే మమ్మల్ని మీట్ చేయాలి అని మీకు కూడా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ ఉంటే సో మెసేజ్ యువర్ హాల్ టికెట్ నంబర్ టు 9642215226. Yes, students, thank you. Next, we will be having yes, 1 second, students. Next, Arun sir will continue the class. Arun sir?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Hello, students. So how are you all doing? Exam is very close. Exam దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసింది ఇప్పుడు. Your preparation and all is very good. Scores చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. Yeah, good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. But I also suggest that POLYCET కి అప్లై చేశారా మీరు? అందరు చేసేసారా? ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? Can you just quickly type yes in the chat box? Okay, Gayatri has applied. Good. Taruni has applied. Good evening, Mahesh. Malesh, you haven't applied. All right, Malesh hasn't applied. All right, Shruti, thank you. All right. Navneet has applied. Monica has applied. Faisal has applied. Murli hasn't applied. Malesh and Murli, all right, haven't applied. Good, applied. Pavani applied. Vaishnavi applied. Okay. Good. Application done. Good. Vishwant has applied. Saivardhan has applied. All right. See, students, it's very important that you apply. Malesh and Murli, you also please apply. All right. Options ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి చేతిలో. Experience కూడా పెరుగుతుంది. So that when you go for MJ P exam, RJC, those colleges also options will be open. Options ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి students. మీరు జాయిన్ అవుతారా లేదా అది తర్వాత ఇష్యూ. All right. Whether you take MPC or YPCU, please write it. Make an attempt. అది జాయిన్ అవుతారా ఆప్షన్స్ అయితే ఉంటాయి కదా చేతిలో. ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కూడా పెరుగుతుంది. That matters a lot in a competitive exam, students. Okay, apply, definitely apply చేయండి. Malesh and Murli, I suggest you apply. ఇంకా ఎంతమంది అప్లై చేయలేదు? And students, we are really eager to meet you all. We have a very good bunch of students. ఇప్పుడు మన రెగ్యులర్ క్లాస్ లాగానే అనిపిస్తుంది మాకు మీతో మాట్లాడితే. Okay, so if you can send your hall ticket center address and your name to the WhatsApp number, we would like to meet you all. All right, do it as soon as you possibly can. 9642215227. ఆ నంబర్ కి మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి. మీ పేరు, మీ సెంటర్ నంబర్, మీ సెంటర్ పేరు. All right, so that we get a chance to meet each other. We have very nice time in the sessions. Very good students we have got. And if at all you haven't written practice test, please make an attempt. Practice test రాసేయండి, mock test రాయండి. See what all the questions are there which are covered in the practice test and mock test. అలాంటి questions వస్తాయి exam లో కూడా. So make an attempt. Questions practice test అన్ని రాసేయండి. ఒకసారి రివిజన్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారంటే యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ వెళ్ళి ఒకసారి క్విక్ రివిజన్ అక్కడ చేసుకోవచ్చు సెషన్ ది. ఒకవేళ సెషన్ ఏదైనా మిస్ అయిందంటే టాపిక్ వైజ్ సెషన్ మీకు పంపించారు ఏ సెషన్ లో ఏ టాపిక్ కవర్ అవుతుందని. All right, make the best use of the facilities you're getting. Practice tests ఉన్నాయి, mock tests ఉన్నాయి. ఒక క్లాస్ లో around 80 to 80 questions వరకు కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి స్టూడెంట్స్. సో దట్స్ a huge number. ఒక 1.5 hour క్లాస్ లో చాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ కవర్ అవుతున్నాయి. సో దట్స్ a quick revision. రివిజన్ కి చాలా అవసరం. అలాంటి ఫాస్ట్ పేస్ రివిజన్ అవుతుంది. So I suggest you attend the YouTube session. If at all you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel so that you get alert to the new videos we upload. But more importantly, you write practice test, students. Kirtana, can you put the same message in the WhatsApp number? That's okay. Kirtana, student, that's okay. మనం మాట్లాడొచ్చు సార్. మీరు ఒకసారి సేమ్ మెసేజ్ ని వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ కి పెట్టండి. We'll get back to you. All right, Kirtana. ఈ మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు కదా మీరు, ఈ మెసేజ్ మీరు వాట్సాప్ లో పెట్టండి, ఆర్ యూ గివ్ అ కాల్ టు us. We'll talk about it and we'll look into it how we can help you out in that. All right, not an issue at all. ఇంకా ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ రాసారా? అందరు రాసారా ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్? అందరు అన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ 11 ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి, 3 మాక్ టెస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి స్టూడెంట్స్. All right, రాయండి స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ రాయండి. ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ have got questions which are మాక్ టెస్ట్ అంటే మాక్ టెస్ట్ లాగానే ఉంది. That is a mock exam. That's like a final exam itself. Make a sincere attempt. Quick revision ki best solution students idi. And Kirtana, yes, Mahesh, you please send your center address and this one. We will surely try to come down to meet every one of you. We'll try to best to meet everyone. But you please send your immediately, as soon as you possibly can. Peru Mahesh and center address. All right. Okay, Kirtana, I again suggest that you send the. Okay, number is 96422152227. I repeat, 96422152227. Yeah, here's the number 964 on the screen. 96422152226. 96422152226 students. 96422152226. జ్ఞానేశ్వర్ ఇక్కడ కాదు. జ్ఞానేశ్వర్, మీరు ఇక్కడ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ నుంచి నోట్ చేయడానికి కష్టం అవుతుంది. మీరు వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ చేస్తే అక్కడ టీమ్ నోట్ చేసుకుంటారు. జ్ఞానేశ్వర్, ప్లీజ్ సెండ్ ఇట్ టు ద వాట్సాప్ నంబర్. And that WhatsApp number is on the screen. Chat box lo undi WhatsApp number 96422152226. Yeah, don't forget to send it on the WhatsApp number. Okay, chat box lo cheste custom avutundi. I can make a note of it, but the team can actually look into it if you send it to the WhatsApp number. All right, Vishwant, if you have sent it, we will take care of it. Don't worry about that. Practice test, the link is given to in the WhatsApp group. Students community lo link పంపిస్తున్నారు. Harika, practice test గురించి మీకు links పంపిస్తున్నారు. All practice tests and mock test links పంపిస్తున్నారు. YouTube channel links కూడా పంపిస్తున్నారు for the revision, quick revision. You keep track of your community channel, WhatsApp community. You'll be noted. You'll get to know what all the updates. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do that. All right, any update you'll get to know easily. Yes, Vishwan, we'll check it. If you have sent it, it's safe, we'll check it. Don't worry about it. Okay, Harika, we'll do one thing. You send your query to the WhatsApp number. We'll again send all the links to you again. Harika, same query ni WhatsApp cheyandi. Practice test links ani. We'll again send the links specially again so that you can attempt all the papers and also attend the sessions. All right, Harika. The number is 96422152226.
Arun sir, shall I take over?
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good evening, children. So we'll do with biology now. Oh. Sir, please make me
Yes, ma'am.
co-host. I'm unable to
Yes,
share.
ma'am. 1 second, ma'am. I'm sharing the screen.
Okay, 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 ma'am. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So Sankirtana, congratulations, Nana. You got very good score in BIPC. Almost all of you have scored very good. So today we'll go with our environment, children. Please be like keep your textbooks, keep it open. First we'll discuss concept and then we'll go with the.
One second, ma'am. I'm sharing the screen, ma'am. Is it visible, ma'am? Yes. Avanti, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. You can unmute yourself, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Please
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
mute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So is it visible, ma'am?
Yes, it is visible. You just go for slide share, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Slide share. Actually, I need to discuss the topic. I have. Okay, we'll go with this, ma'am. No issues.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, children. So what does a food chain always starts with? See, here in the concept, children, before going to this, I just have a like what the concept, actually what the concept we have in our environment. It starts with basically what is environment made up of. Like environment is made up of both biotic and abiotic factors. All the biotic factors are nothing but the living organisms, children. Like plants, animals, microorganisms which have life comes under biotic. And all the abiotic comes under the non-living things. Like we can take sunlight, temperature, soil, which are helping in the existence of the living things. Without this abiotic, there is no biotic factor. So these are interconnected to each other. So how we can interconnect these two? So here, how energy will be happening in an ecosystem. So here always interaction will be happening between biotic and abiotic. For example, children, if you take a plant body, so plant body will be taking nutrients from the soil, water from the soil, and sunlight from the sun. So if you take the sunlight, water, and the nutrients, all these are abiotic. But without this abiotic, there is no living organism surviving in the nature. So always interaction will be existing between living and non-living things. Okay. So living and non-living things will be interacted always in a environment. So that kind of interrelationship or the interaction is called like that kind of thing is called ecosystem. So there are different ecosystems, children. For example, if you take forest is one ecosystem, grassland is one ecosystem, desert is one ecosystem, aquatic body that may be a water, like a river, a lake, a ocean, a sea, all these, okay, comes under ecosystems. And how energy transfer will be happening or how flow of energy will be happening in the ecosystem is also given in your textbook. Always it starts with the basic producers, children. Okay, as a question here, it always starts with the like which the organisms which are those prepare the food molecules themselves and also to the other living organisms. So basically those are producers. That is plants. Plants occupy the first trophic level. Trophic level means each group of organisms in an ecosystem represent a trophic level. And how this energy will be transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level is called a food chain. Here, one organism is dependent on the other organism for its food requirement. So how we can represent? We can represent in the form of a sequential manner in a linear form that is called food chain. Then if these food chains are interconnected to each other, where one group of organism is forming a food to another, more than one group of organism.
For example, if you take plant juices. So these are our herbivores. Herbivores will be eating the plant products, and also some insects. If you take some other birds, they also take the plant products. So not only here the herbivores, like large animals, large group of animals, even some other primitive organisms also take the plant juices. So your plant is providing food to n number of organisms at a time. So this interconnected food chain is called food web. So here, and this is one way how energy will be flowing. We can represent in the form of food chain, we can represent in the form of a food web, and also we can represent energy flow in the form of pyramids. In the form of pyramids. Like we have pyramid for biomass, we have pyramid for number. Okay, like that there are, like in a, actually pyramid is nothing but an, if you go for Egypt, okay, they used to bury, they used to you know the pyramids, Egyptical pyramids. So in the same way, here energy flow or the group of organisms are represented in the form of a pyramid. Okay, so let us discuss, children, few points. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Can I reveal the answer?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. So what does a food chain always starts with, children? I want answer. You can just type answers to Chandrika, ma'am. Yes.
So many are saying it as 3.
Okay, okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, absolutely correct. Yes. Yes. Mahesh, Jessica. Very good. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, can I share my screen? Like I can?
1 second, ma'am. I'll see whether permit. Yes, ma'am. Yes. You are the
Okay.
host now, ma'am. You can share the screen.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Shall I stop sharing, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Please, please.
Yes. Okay. Yes, students, you can send answer to Jet Avanti, ma'am. Sorry for the technical issue. Yes, ma'am. You can continue.
Okay. 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 ma'am. Yes, children. See, here I have highlighted few points, children. Our environment. See. So environment consists of, as I told you, physical and biological factors along with the chemical interactions. So that makes an environment. So this environment has both biotic and abiotic factors. If you take the physical factors, that is abiotic factors, we can take land, air, water, sunlight, as I have given you the examples. And biological factors includes flora and fauna. That means all the plant and animal distribution in an habitat. So always there exists a balance between these abiotic and biotic factors, which makes the ecosystem. So you can say here, the food chains are interconnected, and when we try to observe the connection. So food chains gives how these organisms or how these biotic and abiotic factors are interconnected or interrelated. Okay, so you can see here a food chain consisting of grass, snake, rabbit, and hawk. So here grass is a first trophic level. So grass is providing food to rabbit. Rabbit occupies the second trophic level, that is a primary consumer. Then rabbit is eaten by. Okay. No, children, no, it is not the rabbit. Okay. So we can just form a food chain here. First grass. Okay, grass is eaten by rabbit. Then rabbit is eaten by like a hawk after the death of the rabbit. So here only 3 trophic levels are there. And next, snake, grass, we can take grass, then snake, and then hawk. So hawk is eating the snake directly. Here, rabbit is eaten after the death. After the death of rabbit, they take the flesh of the animal. But hawk is not hunting the rabbit, children. Okay. So here, one group of organism is providing food to the other group of organism. So in that way, we can just place these organisms into different trophic levels. Here, that is from producers to consumers, you can take here primary, secondary, and tertiary. You can see the relationship in the flowchart form, children, or in the linear form they have given. See, producers, these are the primary producers. They are preparing food by the simple raw materials available in the nature, and they are producing food, not only for themselves and even to the entire community and entire living organisms. Okay. So here you can take few examples, children. Grasshopper is eating grass, then grasshopper is taken by frog, and frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten by hawk. So how many trophic levels are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a food chain having 5 trophic levels. Okay. And here the same. Grass, rabbit is eaten by fox and wolf. And grass is eaten by goat and goat is eaten by man. Okay. So like this, how many trophic levels we can write? We can take different group of organisms. Okay. So this is all about the food chain, children, the basic concept. And this is a food web, children. Interrelated or interconnected food chains is called food web. As I told you, here, this is a food chain representation in a linear fashion. Then next we have the concept of food web. So food web, and here it's a niche. Okay. So it donates, like it represents the habitat where an organism is surviving. Not only its habitat, even how that organism is using the resources available and how it is surviving in that particular habitat. So food web. So food web, as I told you, it is an interconnected food chain. So different food chains are interconnected to each other, forming a food web. The next, ecological pyramid, as I was telling you just few minutes back. So this is also one of the way to represent how the energy flow will be happening in a ecosystem. So this concept was first proposed by Charles Elton in 1927. And we have different types of pyramids, children, as I was telling you, pyramid of biomass, pyramid of energy, and pyramid of number. Okay, so you can just check out how actually this was proposed or how this was coming to existence. Okay, and how we are using them. Pyramid of numbers, number of organisms. So this pyramid of numbers will be giving the how many number of organisms are present in each energy level. Okay, that is pyramid of numbers. Then pyramid of biomass. We have biomass. The organic matter which is existing in the each trophic level or each energy level. So biomass is organic material or the mass of the biological origin. That is organic matter which is existing with the that particular group of organisms. So any type of plant or animal material can be converted to energy, that is called biomass. So it represents the relationship between the quantity of living matter existing and also like at different trophic levels or at different energy levels. Okay. And then pyramid of biomass. This is all about the pyramid of biomass, children. And we have pyramid of energy. So how much amount of energy is being transferred from one group of organisms to another group of organisms. So how much is being transferred? So that represents pyramid of energy. It is given, children, in the diagram. You can check. So this is how we represent energy flow in different ways. From producers to primary, then primary to secondary consumers, and then secondary consumers to tertiary consumers. So here they have given one example of Golleru Lake. You can just go through that. And see, they have given the complete information of that lake. You can just go through, children. And eutrophication, children. What is biological oxygen demand? And dissolved oxygen, chemical oxygen demand, eutrophication. See, whenever any chemical substance, for example, here farmer will be applying fertilizers for plant growth, chemicals. Actually, fertilizers are the chemicals. So for short run, okay, plant is taking that particular element in the form of fertilizer and we can expect the plant growth. But in long run, what happens? This use of chemical fertilizers or chemical substance in the form of fertilizers is causing environmental pollution. See, after application of this nutrients, that is fertilizers or manure, the next step is irrigation in the agricultural practice. Then what happens? These chemical residues will be remained in the soil particles, and in long run, after this particular practice, irrigation, during the irrigation process, when water is added to the crop field, along with the water, these chemicals will be washed away and added to the nearby water body. So what is happening here now? That chemical residues or that chemical have entered the water body. So aquatic animals and aquatic plants will take these chemicals. And now that chemical residue has entered into the food chain. in the form of aquatic plant. Then aquatic plant is eaten by the animal, like a small fish. Now that chemical has entered into the small fish. And when the small fish is eaten by the big fish, that big fish is like it has that body has taken this chemical. And when the big fish is eaten by a man, now it has entered the top trophic level. The top carnivore has taken this. So that here what we are understanding here, slowly that kind of chemical concentration is being increased in the food chain. That concentration, that kind of increase in the concentration of the chemical from one trophic level to another trophic level is called, children, eutrophication. Okay, or it is also called biomagnification. We can also call it as biomagnification, children. So here, when that chemicals are added to the water body, so what happens? Some kind of plants will take and they will be growing abundantly in the water body, and they completely use the dissolved oxygen existing in the water body, and they will not let the other aquatic plants and animals to survive in that water body. So there will be death of the aquatic plants and animals soon. You might have seen Durgam Cheru in Hyderabad, okay, earlier. All the plants, actually those are all weed plants, unwanted plants, which are growing in the water body. But government has taken the initiative and it has cleared almost a few of the weed plants. And it has developed now, that kind of place has developed into a tourist spot. They have done something, isn't it? So that kind of oxygen demand is called, children, biological oxygen demand. The amount of oxygen required for the organism to survive is called biological oxygen demand. And even that leads to different infections also. Okay, some waterborne infections. This is all the information, children. Only BOD, COD will be asked. Okay, and you have to be thorough with that. Okay. So this is all the applications, children. Applications you can go through. This is a general concept, children. The important points I have discussed with you. Now we'll go with the concept, children. Okay, I'm just stopping my sharing and I'm going to share the PPT, what we were doing earlier. Yes. Yes, children. So you can give direct message to me. So this was already done. What does a food chain always starts with? It always starts with, children. I want answers. Yes, Jnaneshwari, Ashvik. Yes, Renuka, Taruni, Pavani, Agnivesh. Very good. Hanish, Vishwant. Very good. It is, children, producers. Producers represents the plants. Okay. Plants you can take. Algal members you can take. Some photosynthetic bacteria you can take. Okay. All these. Next. Next question, children. We'll go with the next question. Yes. Which of the following do plants not compete for? What? Plants will not compete for what, children? They will not compete for what? Yes, answers, children. Taruni, Jnaneshwari, Hanish, it's not 4. Jessica has given the correct answer. Yes. Chetan has given the correct answer. Hanish has given the correct answer. Yes. Gayatri has given the correct answer. Yes. Mahesh has given the correct answer. Yes. Yes. Yes, children. It is actually food. They will not compete for the food because they are the producers. They are basically synthesizing the basic carbohydrates. Am I right? So they will not compete for food. Okay. So food is the correct answer. Next question. Ban all pesticides. This means that what? Control on usage of pesticides, prevention of pesticides, promote eco-friendly agricultural practices, stop biochemical factories. Ban all pesticides. What are pesticides, children? The chemicals which are used to kill the pests. Pests are the insects or any other kinds of worms which are eating away the plant products, and they are decreasing the yield of the crop. So we need to control them. So we use some chemicals to kill those pests. So what do you mean by this? Ban all pesticides, which means what? Answers, children? Yes, Chetan has given the correct answer. Sai Vardhan. Jessica, it's not 2, dear. It's not 2. Yes. Renuka has given the correct answer. Pavani has given the correct answer. Jnaneshwar, 4 gaadu nana. Yes. Hanish. Yes. It is 3, children. Promote eco-friendly agricultural practices. What do you mean by eco-friendly, children? Means instead of using these chemicals, We can go for crop rotation. We can go for manuring. Okay, instead of adding these chemicals, we can go for manuring, and we can go for without use of any chemicals. Children, nowadays everyone has become health conscious because we are buying almost organic products, organic farming. After this pandemic, all of us have become health conscious, and most of the companies have come with what organic farming, organic products you might have seen. Okay, in organic pulse, like organic urad dal, organic this that, like that. They have adding organic, but we don't know whether it is organic or using chemicals. But we are taking blindly. Okay. Thank you, Shiva. Thank you. Next. According to Charles Elton, so we were discussing this, children. Carnivores are at the top of the pyramid. Energy trapping is at high, is high at the top of the pyramid. No producers at the top of the pyramid. Both 193, children. Both 193. What's the answer, children? According to Charles Elton. So yes, Mahesh, it's not 4. 4 కాదు నాన్న. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ చదవండి అమ్మా. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ మనం ఇప్పుడే కదా డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంది. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఇచ్చాడు కదా మనకు ఎల్టన్ గురించి. విశ్వంత్ 2 కాదమ్మా. చేతన్, హనీష్ గివింగ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఎస్, విశ్వంత్ మళ్ళీ 1 టైప్ చేసావా? శివ, ఓకే. ఇట్ ఈస్ 1, చిల్డ్రన్. 1 is the correct answer. Carnivores are at the top of the pyramid. Okay, always they occupy top in the ecosystem. Right, Renuka, good. Agnivesh has given the correct answer. Very good, nice. Next question, children. We'll move to the next question. Okay. The region of the world of living thing is termed as what? Where there is existence of living beings. That is called what? Biosphere, ecosystem, food chain, and food web. What's the answer? Yes, Manas has given the correct answer. Ashwik has given the correct answer. Vardhan has given the correct answer. It is biosphere, children. Biosphere. Where the life is possible. That is called biosphere. Okay, it is biosphere, children. Yes. Next, we'll move to the Taruni has given the correct answer. Nice. Next. Which of the following climatic influences, climate influences or determines the terrestrial ecosystem? Which of the following climate influences or determines the terrestrial ecosystem? Terrestrial means, children, land ecosystem. What are those? Rainfall, temperature, light from sun, and all the above. It's Gayatri, Hanish, yes, Manasa, Ashwik, Chetan, Jnaneshwar, Agnivesh. Yes, you are giving the correct answer, children. It is 4. All of them. All of them are affecting or influencing the existence of life on the land. Without these factors, there will be no existence of biotic factor. So it will be 4. 4 is the correct answer. Okay. Next, children. The arrows between each item in a food chain always point from where to where? From where to where? The next question, children, we'll move to the next question. So arrows in a food chain always represents, or in a food chain or in a pyramid or in a food web, they represent what to what? From where to where the energy flow will be happening? Feeder to food, food to feeder, animal to animal, carnivores to herbivores. Yes, most of you are giving the correct answer. Chetan, Vaishnavi. Yes, Jessica, it's not 4, Nana. Vardhan 3 కాదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? From where to where energy flow will happen? Mahesh, Taruni, Hanish, yes, Agnivesh. క్వశ్చన్ మంచి చదవండి. నన్ను ఎగ్జామ్ లో కూడా మీకు క్వశ్చన్ మంచిగా చదివి ఆన్సర్ మీకు వచ్చు, కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలుసు, కానీ ఏమవుతారు? కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? నేను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు చెప్పాను చాలాసార్లు. మీకు అట్లా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని తర్వాత చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ నాకు కరెక్ట్గా 100% ఇదే ఆన్సర్ నాకు తెలుసు, నేను చదువుకున్నాను అన్న వాటికే ఫస్ట్ ఆన్సర్ పెట్టండి. తర్వాత నేను ఇంకా డైలమాలో ఉన్నా, నేను ఇంకా 100% షూర్ కాదు, అలాంటివి తర్వాత చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏదైతే కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా అదే ఆన్సర్ అనుకున్న వాటిని ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వండి. తర్వాత ఆలోచించి ఆన్సర్ పెట్టండి. ఎస్, children, it is 2. Most of you have given the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Next. Niche denotes what? Already I told you. Animal position in food chain, what it eats, its modes of life, that is. Yes, it is all the above, children. All the above. Yes. Agnivesh, Hanish, I think you don't have negative mark. Negative mark. Now, Gayatri, Mahesh, Jnaneshwari, yes. Sai Vardhan, yes. It is all the above, children. All the above is the correct answer. Then, special positions within the food web in which animals fit is described as what? Special positions within the food web in which animals are described. What is that particular position called? Yes, I told you this, children. We were discussing this few minutes back. Vaishnavi, Mahesh has yes, correct answer, children. Navaneet, Yashvika, it's not 2, dear. Jnaneshwari, it's not 3. Yes, it is 1, children. Trophic level. Each energy level is called trophic level. Renuka, Amulya, Medak, yes, is absolutely correct. Vardhan, it is trophic level, children. Trophic level is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. Next, children. Next question. The concept of ecological pyramid was first introduced by children. In the complete chapter, we have only one scientist. Mostly, one scientist was given in your textbook. So, who is that? Yes. Yes. Chetan, Navaneet, Agnivesh, Manasa. Yes, children. It is Charles Elton. Okay. Charles Elton. Yes. Absolutely correct. Yes. Most of you are typing the correct answer. Yashvika, it's not 3, dear. It's Elton. Okay. Yes. First trophic level of the ecological pyramid includes what? Always first trophic level includes what? See, in the first question, it was asked in a different way, but answer is same. Here, the same answer, but the question is asked in a different way. Yes. Chetan, Vishwant, Renuka, Yashvika, yes, nice, Nana, Agnimesh, Amulya. It is producers, children, producers. Hanish, nice. Vaishnavi, yes, good children. It is producers. Jessica, Vardhan, very good. It is producers. Always producers will be occupying the first trophic level. And even children in your textbook, like the concept 10% law. Okay, you can also go with the 10% law. How much? That is pyramid of energy. Okay, pyramid of energy will be telling about 10%. How much of amount of energy is being transferred from one trophic level to another trophic level? It is only 10%, children. Okay. Yes. So this pyramid shows the population of organisms at each trophic level in a food chain. What is that? Here, population is given. So population represent what? That is the answer. Pyramid of biomass, pyramid of number, pyramid of Egypt, pyramid of energy. Yes, Jnaneshwar has given the correct answer. Navaneet has given. Chetan, yes. Vivo, something. Yes, Vishwant. Yes, very good. It is pyramid of number. When population means number, no? So it is pyramid of number. Okay, pyramid of number. Okay. Yes, children. Next, we'll move to the next question. Yes. Most of you have given the correct answer. We'll move to the next question. Pyramid of number does not look like a pyramid when what? Pyramid of number will not look at like what? The producer is a large plant. One of the organism at each trophic level is very small in the parasitic food chain and all the above. Sai Vardhan, no, it's not 3. Vaishnavi, it's not 3. Yes, Vardhan again typed. Yes, Chetan has given the correct answer. Yes. Yes, no, it's not 2, dear. Pawan, it's not 2. Amulya, it's not 2. It is 4, Nana. All the above. All the above is the correct answer. Manasa has given the correct answer. Gayatri has given. Mahesh has given the correct answer. Yes, Renuka has given the correct answer. Yes, children, it is 4. Next question, children. Among the following pesticides, which is less dangerous? Which is less dangerous? DDT, aldrin, dialdrin, and heptachlor. 2 or 4? No. 2 or 4 adokate ivala answer. DDT means dichloro diphenyl trichloroacetic acid. It's a pesticide. Yes. Yes, Amulya has given the correct answer. It's DDT, children. Dichloro diphenyl trichloroacetic acid. Yes. Renuka has given the correct answer. Chetan, Vishwant, Vardhan. Yes, it is 1, children. DDT is less harmful than the other chemicals. Yes, next, children. Flow of materials Flow of materials between organisms and their environment is called what? Cycling of materials, mineral circulation, biogeochemical cycles, all the above. How energy is being, or how the interrelationship, or how one form of energy will be changing to the another form, where it will be happening. Chetan has given the correct answer. Vardhan, it's not 3, Nana. Amulya has given the correct answer. Navaneet, Vishwant. Yes, it is 4 children, all the above. Or in the all the above processes, this will be happening. Okay, it is all the above. Next, which of the following is a secondary consumer in a grassland ecosystem? So here, when this type of question comes, children, you write down the food chain on a rough paper. You will be given column, no rough column. You just write down the food chain first using these animals. Then you will get to know. Don't do blindly. Grass, frog, insect, snake. So secondary consumer is, yes, Hanish has given the correct answer. Yes. Okay. 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 Children, it is insect. Insect will be occupying the third trophic level. First comes grass, children. Then grass is eaten by insect. Okay. Then insect is eaten by frog and frog is eaten by snake. Okay. So it is insect. The next question, children. Grass, insect is a correct answer. Next. The tendency of pollutants to concentrate as they move from one trophic level to another trophic level. Just now I told you, eutrophication I was telling you. I use the other word also. For 4 gal nana. Next question kocheseyandi. Tendency of pollutants to concentrate as they move from one trophic level to another trophic level is called what? Biomagnification, bioinfection, bioaccumulation, and biocontrol or biological spread. Biological spread. It is children biomagnification, I told you. It is option 1. We'll move to the next question. The process of entering pollutants in a food chain is called. See that the concentration of, the increase in the concentration is biomagnification. Then entering of the chemical into the food chain is called what? There are 2 definitions. One is biomagnification and the other one is what? You should answer. Biomagnification, bioinfection, bioaccumulation, and biological control. It is children? Yes, yes. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Navaneet, Manasa, Chetan. Yes, 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 children. It is bioaccumulation. Vaishnavi, Vardhan. Bioaccumulation, children. Very good. Nice. Next question, children. We'll move to the next question quick. This percentage of the biomass is transferred from one trophic level to the next in a food chain. So how much amount of biomass, children? I was telling you 10%, no? Yes. Yes. Hanish. Yes. Hanish has given the correct answer. Jnaneshwar. Yes. Yes. Chetan. It's not 2, Nana. Jessica has given the correct answer. Agnivesh, Chetan. Amulya, it's not 4, Nana. Vardhan, 2, 1 Kal, Nana. It is 3 children. 10 to 20. Okay. 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 Yes. Next, children. Okay. We'll move to the next one, children. Next question. It is 10 to 20. Next. The region of the world of living things is called. Where the living things can survive. What is that called? Biosphere, atmosphere, environment, ecosystem. What is that called? That is called biosphere. Already repeated, children. It is option 1. Yes, Amulya has given the correct answer. Vardhan. Yes, good. Good, children. Next. The terrestrial ecosystems are being determined by the variations in what? In what? The terrestrial ecosystems are being determined by the variations in what? Edaphic factors, edaphic factors, climatic factors, environmental factors, and all the above. Yes, it is environmental factors, children, not all the above, only environmental factors. Okay, option 3. Vardhan has given the correct answer. Yes. Amulya has given. Next question, children. Organic material of biological origin is called what? Organic material of biological origin is called what? Biomass, bioenergy, biofuel, and biogeochemical cycle. Yes, Jnaneshwar, Yashika, Yashvika, yes, Chetan, Amulya, Manasa. Student is biomass. Biomass is the correct answer. Okay. Next, we'll move to the next question. This shows who eats what is in a particular habitat. What it shows. Like who eats what is shown in what? Basically. Anita has given the correct answer. It is food chain. Okay, food chain. Food chain is the correct answer. Vishwant has given the correct answer. Vardhan has given the correct answer. It is food chain, Nana. Food chain, okay? Food chain. Manasa has given the correct answer. Chetan. Yes, next one, children. In general, when we move from producers to next question, children, come to next question. Okay. In general, when we move from producers to consumers in a food chain, the number of organisms at each level, what it happens? They remains constant, decreases, increases. First increases, later decreases. First increases, later decreases. Yes. Jnaneshwari has given the correct answer. Gayatri has given, Jessica has given, Navaneet has given the correct answer. Yes, it is 4 children. 4 is the correct answer. Next. This is a main source of energy for an ecosystem. Sunlight, moonlight, bioluminescence, moonlight, and sunlight. What is a main source? Jessica has given the correct answer. Jnaneshwari has given. Anita. Yes. Vardhan. It is sun, children. Sun is a main source of energy. Without sun, there is no living organism. Okay, it is sunlight. Sun is a main source. Next. The graphical representation of feeding level structure of an ecosystem by taking the shape of a pyramid is called what? Ecological pyramid, environmental pyramid, biospherical pyramid, pyramid of biomass. What is that? Yes, Jnaneshwari has given the correct answer. Manasa has given. Vardhan, it's not 2. Navaneet, it's not 2. Yes, it is 1, children. Ecological pyramid. Agnivesh, Jessica, Renuka, Vaishnavi, Vardhan. Yes, children. Very good. It is 1, ecological pyramid. Okay. So, these are all few questions, children, from the topic. And I think with this, we have done the topic. And I wish all the best to everyone, children. Write your exam well. Okay, because you are writing on Sunday, no? So, my wishes to you all, children. All the very best. And Chandrika ma'am, you can take over. Good luck, children.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Avanti, ma'am. I hope all of you have understood today's class. And I feel proud to share with you that our YouTube channel has crossed 1,000 subscribers, a milestone of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for one and all to subscribing our channel and encouraging us. అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. మీ అందరికీ క్లాసెస్ నచ్చుతున్నాయని అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. ఫార్వర్డ్ చేసి యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ గురించి కూడా చెప్పండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. ఇంకా ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ చాలా చాలా చేస్తాము. అండ్ ఐ హోప్ దెర్ విల్ బి మోర్ సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ డేస్. ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ పెరుగుతారు అని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. సో మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కి కూడా చెప్పండి, ఇవన్నీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. అండ్ tomorrow's class is very important, right? Because day after tomorrow you are having exam. So in tomorrow's class, we will inform how to answer in the exam, so that which will boost your score. మీ స్కోర్ పెరగడానికి ఎట్లా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి ఎగ్జామ్ లో అని చెప్పేసి కొన్ని టిప్స్ చెప్తాము. అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్లీజ్ డూ ఆల్ ది ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్. ఫస్ట్ నుంచి 11 ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్ పంపించాము. సో ఆ 11 ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్ ని మీరు మళ్ళీ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి, మళ్ళీ అటెంప్ట్ చేయండి. సో దట్ ఇట్ విల్ ఇంప్రూవ్ యువర్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, మీ ఆన్సర్ చేసేది కూడా మీరు ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట ఆన్సర్ చేయడము. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు ఇన్ దిస్ 19 క్లాసెస్. సో ఈ రోజు వరకు 19 క్లాసెస్ జరిగాయి. ఈ 19 క్లాసెస్ లో మాక్సిమం మ్యాథ్స్, ఫిజిక్స్, బయాలజీ అన్ని సబ్జెక్ట్స్ మాక్సిమం టాపిక్స్ మేము కవర్ చేసాము. వీ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ఎ ఫుల్ ఎఫర్ట్ టు కవర్ ది మాక్సిమం టాపిక్స్. సో ఇంకా మిగిలింది మీ సైడ్ నుంచి, రైట్? అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ 1 day లెఫ్ట్ టు ద ఫైనల్ బ్యాటిల్, దట్ ఇస్ TSRJC సెట్. సో ఈ ఒక్కడే కష్టపడండి కొంచెం. ఇప్పటి వరకు చదివింది ఒకటి, ఇంకా రేపు ఇంకా మీరు బాగా రివైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. రేపు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయొద్దు. సో ఈ 11 ప్రాక్టీస్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో మళ్ళీ రివైజ్ చేయండి. మేడం వాళ్ళు చెప్పినవి కూడా అన్ని షార్ట్ కట్ లో రాసుకొని ఉంటారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండర్లైన్ కూడా చేయించాం టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ లో. సో ఆ పాయింట్స్ కూడా ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి. రివైజ్ చేసుకొని సో అలా రివైజ్ చేసుకుంటే మీకు కూడా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది ఎగ్జామ్ టైంలో. సో tomorrow it is very important. Don't forget, I'm reminding you again. And don't leave the class in the middle of the session. Middle of the session lo leave cheste meeke loss, right? So don't leave. And if you have any network issue with the Zoom, so you can join through YouTube live dara kuda join avvachu. Zoom lo emanna meek issues unte. And tomorrow we will meet again at 7:25 p.m. Please join by 7:25 p.m. Class will get started by 7:30. And tomorrow it is very important. Okay, bye everyone, students, and all the best. And
Thank you,
please send your
students.
hall
All the
tickets.
best.
Please send your hall tickets. I'm once again reminding you. ఇప్పుడు మీరు రాసే TSRJC సెట్ ఎగ్జామ్ హాల్ టికెట్ నంబర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది 9642215226 నంబర్ కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. సో దట్ వీ కెన్ విజిట్ యూ నియర్ యువర్ సెంటర్స్. ఓకే, తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ లో సెంటర్స్ విజిట్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాము. సో యూ కెన్ మీట్ us at your centers. If you are likely to meet us, you can send the hall ticket number to 9642215226. Bye everyone. Tomorrow we will meet again at 7:30.